Hey guys, this is the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. In the times of fusion food being a rage, let me bring to you the best of two worlds, presenting to you chicken tandoori pizza. So let's begin. Let's first begin with the star of the topping, which is chicken tandoori, for which I've used boneless chicken breast. I've just cut these into long strips. To this, I'm adding in some curds, followed by some chaat masala. This is to give the chicken tandoori a nice tang. A little bit of kasuri methi to get that authentic traditional touch. Red chili powder, which is a good mix of a chili that gives you color as well as flavor. This is followed by turmeric powder, very little, not too much. Some crushed ginger garlic. You could alternately also use a paste. Some lemon juice. And finally, some salt to taste. We need to give this a mix and allow this to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. The chicken has marinated well, time to now cook it. For this, let's heat a grill pan and add in some oil. The pan is heated up. Time to fry the chicken. The chicken pieces need to be grilled on high flame so that they get some grill marks, and this could be a minute on each side. Well, the chicken is almost cooked. Let's turn the flame off and transfer this on a plate. At this stage, even if the chicken is a little undercooked, it's perfectly fine, because finally when the pizza starts cooking or baking, the chicken will continue cooking further and will start drying up. So this is perfectly fine. Well, now that the chicken tandoori is ready, let's begin with topping the pizza. This is a pizza base that I have ready always with me in the refrigerator. To watch the recipe, do not forget to click on the link in the description box below. Now let's begin with the topping. The first thing that goes on top is the pizza sauce. This is nothing but a tomato sauce cooked with some herbs. We need to spread this generously on the pizza base. The next thing that goes on this are some spinach leaves. We need to top this up generously with some pizza cheese or mozzarella. Lace this with some vegetables of your choice. In this case, I'm using some bell peppers, some onion rings, some button mushrooms, and finally, the star of the topping, which is chicken tandoori. This pizza needs to be transferred very carefully onto a baking tray, and this needs to bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure the cheese is nice, gooey and melted, and the pizza base kind of just becomes a little crisp. And finally, some olive oil, and this goes straight on the dinner table. That's how you can make an amazing home-style chicken pizza right in your kitchen. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and wait for what next the Bombay chef gets into your kitchen.